got my coin game here. I've kind of ramped it up to difficult levels here. Oh, where'd my sound go? That's interesting. Oh, there we go. I just had the volume down. So I have enemies now that are quite smart. I have a little indicator. You see my little gem around here that indicates my direction that I'm going in. And the enemies are far deadlier than they used to be. Yeah. See, I take damage. And if I take too much damage, yep, the wah 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 sound. Gotta have that. And I can restart the game. And you do notice, the random generation can be pretty brutal. And yikes. Yeah, maybe I should spawn somewhere. Not quite so deadly. Okay, let me regain some health here. So he regains health at a certain rate, which is slightly slower than the rate that enemies can fire at me. So if I don't do anything and enemies are firing at me, I will die. Yikes. And enemies do regenerate health as well, so I can't take it for granted that they are going to not die. Whoops. Or they take it for granted that they're going to die, because they regenerate health as quickly as I do. So interesting features. Let's see. You'll notice that the enemies, now they do kind of wander around just a little bit. They kind of have a force that is randomly nudging them every second or so. But if they do see me, in addition to being able to fire at me, I'm using the move towards function to allow them to lock on. And if I don't move out of their range of interest, they will continue to fire at me. So you can see how this guy's sort of randomly moving around here until he sees me. Ah! And again, I have my little gem here rotating around to let me know which direction I'm in. And I've also made it so that there's a cooldown period to my weapon here, my coin throwing. You'll see if I wait, I can fire a rapid burst, but if I try to fire all the time, it kind of slows down because my coin throwing, I can't burst them continuously. So I'm using coroutines in a bunch of spots. The coroutine manages the cooldown time. It also manages, I have a coroutine that's doing the cooldown time and a coroutine that is doing the health regeneration for everybody. So inside the damage script, which manages damage, it also starts a coroutine for whatever object it's on that will regenerate health at some rate. So the damage script not only causes damage, but now will allow it to regenerate damage as well. So I don't have any scoring or anything in there yet. I should add that. But it does kind of play a lot like, I should put some bounds on the world there. So you can't just sort of wander off forever. And yeah, if you have any questions, shoot them over to, pardon the pun, on Discord there. And happy to talk about how I accomplished all of this stuff. Yeah. All right, talk to you all later.